oriented storage control. Process oriented storage control. What is POSC and why it is very important in SAP? Okay, it's very important. Okay, any interview if you go without knowing this, no one will give you a job. Without knowing POSC, you are not a consultant. POSC, process oriented storage control. Can you see storage? What is storage? What is a storage? We know that we have a warehouse. Okay, we know that we have a warehouse. Let me copy that warehouse design part. I need a simple warehouse. Okay, I don't want to have a complicated one. I create a simple warehouse. This is my warehouse. Okay, this is my doors, warehouse doors. Okay, and here I have staging area. Okay, this is my staging area. Okay, this is my staging area, and here is my put away location. Okay, my put away storage means final storage type. Final storage type, where exactly I am storing the finished goods. Okay, or else I can show you here also. If you are very comfortable here, I will show you this picture. If you are comfortable here, I will show you other pictures. I think it's fine. Give me a second. So you know this part, right? This warehouse design, you know, right? I already explained you previously also. So this is my warehouse. In this warehouse, I have a staging area. So what is staging area, you know, right here? This part we discussed or not? This picture. This picture where we discussed or not? This picture.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the staging area. Okay, you already know this. This is the staging area. This is staging area, and these are my final destination storage types. This is the final destination. This is the final destination. This is the final destination storage type. So once I receive the product, I will receive to which area now?
Staging
Once
area.
I receive the product to warehouse, I will receive to which area?
Staging area.
Staging area. So from staging area, the product should go to which location?
Destination.
Destination location. No, wait, that's fine. Okay, for now that's fine. Okay, from staging area, the product should go to the destination storage type. Just think that in our business scenario, you will receive the product. Once you receive the product, system should suggest to go to either here or here or here. Destination storage type. So how system knows that? Okay, how system knows that either here or here or here. What is the next step? This is the first step. What is the second step? How system knows that?
Through put away strategies and process type.
To put away strategies, you are creating manually, right? You are creating manually to put away strategies. You are going to follow on various tasks. You are creating the second task manually. But is there any way that system will tell you that this is the first step? This is the first step. You need to move the stock from door to the staging area, from staging area to the destination location. Any product that you are receiving to the warehouse, what if system tells the steps? How many movements the pod should follow to move to destination location? Now Once you receive the product, you are telling that you receive the product to staging area, right? From where it will receive? What is the source here? Okay, you told this part. Okay, once you receive the product, you unload to the staging area. Unloading happens to which location? Unloading.
Staging area, GR location.
Okay, that is the destination, right?
Yeah.
The destination or not? For unloading,
Yes.
what is the destination?
Mm.
Staging area. What is the source here?
Door.
Source is the door. Good. Here, once the truck has been docked to the door, source is the door. Source is the door, and destination is the staging area. And now, for second task, the second task is to move the product from staging area to the respective destination location. In this case, what is the second task we are doing here? Second task, what is the second task?
Source is staging area and the destination is the second
Oh,
step.
first task is what? First task is what? Unload, right? First task is unload. What is the second task? What is the second task I'm doing here?
Staging area. Staging.
No. What is the second
GR.
task I'm doing here?
Put
No,
away.
no. Put away. Put away is my second task, right? Put away is my second task. First task is to unload. If you're unloading, what is the source storage type? What is the source?
Door. Door is the source storage.
Source is the door. Source is door. What is destination?
Staging area.
Staging area. And for put away, same thing we need to follow. What is source? If you are doing put away, what is the source?
Staging area.
Staging area. What is the destination?
Storage bin.
Respect to high racks or else any kind of storage types that we have here, either here, or here. Respect to destination storage type. Okay. So POSC explains, the process oriented storage control explains storage process. POSC explains about the storage process. How exactly you need to store the product, in what steps or how many steps we can store the respective product into the destination location. Once you receive the material to the warehouse, okay, what is storage process? The product should go to, see, some products are there, okay. I'm taking one product, okay, I'm taking a product, product 1, I'm taking some product 1. Product 1 I received to the warehouse. It's received to the warehouse, and second step is like put away in other destination location. I received a similar kind of product, but something packaging got required. For the respective product, packaging is required. So in that case, for the respective product, the first step is what case? The first step will go to the staging area, door to staging area. Just think that second step will be like some kind of consolidation area, work center. Now in this case, can you please tell me how many steps will be there now? In case the product requires some kind of packaging.
3 steps.
3 steps will be there. In this case, 3 steps will be there. What the first step will be? Unload is the first step. What the second step will be?
Consolidation.
Consolidation or deconsolidation. Okay, decon or consolidation. Okay, I will call as work center generally. Work center. What the third step will be?
Destination hierarchy.
Put away is my third step. For unloading, what is source and what is destination? Can I copy? For work center, what is the source and what is the destination? For work center.
Staging area to work center.
Staging area to the work center. Source is the staging area. Destination is the work center. Work center. Now what about put away?
Work
Source is what?
Center to
Source is work center to the destination is high racks. So how system knows this part? The product should go to first unloading. First step is unloading. Second step is work center. Third step is put away. How system knows that? With help of what?
POSC.
With the help of storage process. With the help of storage process. Okay, POSC is having storage process. Okay, all right. POSC tells you how many steps you need to follow, but in deep, if you ask me, storage control explains me that. Okay, storage control or storage process, I'll call like a storage process will tell you that how many steps we need to follow for the respect to inbound storage process. Let me make a note for you. Very important, guys. This concept is concentrate. So storage process explains you mainly storing the product sequentially. Storing the product sequentially, following the steps sequentially. Okay, storing the product sequentially. First is unloading, second is work center, third is put away. So it explains all those things. Storage process, storing the product sequentially. Okay, and each and every step, storage process contains normally what steps? Storage process contains steps generally. Steps contain what? Each step contains what? Each step contains what?
Warehouse task.
A source and a destination.
No. Each steps contain source and destination. Source and destination. If source and destination is available, then only system will get warehouse task, right? If both is not available, how is system will get a warehouse task? What is source and what is destination? So storage process contains steps. Steps contains source and destination locations or storage types. And how the storage process will get activated? Storage process will get activated through WPT. Storage process will be assigned to where, guys? Storage process will be assigned in the WPT. You remember WPT concept or else you forgot? What is WPT, guys?
Warehouse process type.
Warehouse process.
Warehouse process type. What warehouse process type explains generally? What is warehouse process type?
The logical and physical movement of goods.
The logical and physical movement of goods, which is act as a movement type generally. Movement between one location to other location, how exactly you are moving. So those movements will be mainly explained by WPT. What kind of movement that is? Is it a put away? Is it unloading? Is it a work center? Is it some kind of repacking, relabeling, or else internally moving the goods, scrapping? Okay, whatever you do. Okay, everything will have a WPT will be there. Different WPT will be there. Whatever the action you do, a different WPT. Same kind of action will have same WPT. Means if you're unloading, all kind of unloading comes under one WPT. If you're doing put away, all kind of put away comes under one WPT. If you're scrapping, all kind of scrappings will come under one WPT. So those kind of things will be there. If you're repacking the product, all kind of repacking, any kind of repacking in the warehouse, one WPT. So do you know how WPT will be triggered in the respective inbound? Cross question. Do you know how WPT will trigger in the respective inbound?
It triggers through document
Triggers
type and item type.
Very good. It triggers through what?
Document type and item type and priority level.
Document type,
and
item type,
warehouse process control
delivery
indicator.
priority, and
Warehouse process control indicator.
control indicator. Okay, process type determination control indicator. Process type determination control indicator. So based on this, the WPT will trigger in the respective inbound. So WPT will trigger based on this. First of all, let me keep a sequence. WPT will trigger based on this part. WPT will trigger based on this part. Once WPT got triggered, in the WPT what we have? Storage process. In WPT we have storage process. Storage process contains what, guys? Now
Process steps.
process steps. Now you understand. Once you create delivery, okay, WPT will trigger in the delivery. Each and every line item, if you say WPT will be there. If you have triggered the WPT, in WPT we have storage process. Storage process having all the steps to follow. Okay. up to the put away location. So this is the logic you need to remember, okay? And POSC works with only POSC whole concept works with only handling units, guys, okay? POSC whole concept works with only handling units. H2 mandatory. H2 mandatory. POSC works with only handling units, guys. Okay. Without handling unit, POSC you cannot use it. Okay, the concept is clear. Can we go to the configurations?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to SPRO. So try to learn the concept, guys. We have a lot of opportunities outside. Jobs are too many, but only if you know the concept. Okay, don't by heart the things. If you by heart, it's not even 1 minute to know. Okay, if you are by hearting the things. Now I am going to SPRO. Okay, IMG implementation guide. Now go to SCM extended warehouse management and go to the warehouse management. Here go to cross process settings. Go to the cross process settings and here go to the warehouse task. Go to the warehouse task. So previously we came to this path, we defined the WPT previously, right? Now what we are going to define, guys? Now we are going to define the process oriented storage control. Today's concept is what? Process oriented storage control. We are going to define this POSC. Now the first one, if you see external storage process step. The first one, if you see external storage process step. External storage process step. I told you step. What is step, guys? Can I create new entries? What is the first step?
Unloading.
Unloading. Unloading. UNL. My plant is what, guys? My plant is BLR1, guys. My warehouse is BLR1, guys. So what I'll do? BUNL UND unload. That's fine. Okay, UNLD. I'm taking UNLD. Okay, unloading. I think naming will be already available. Okay, unload. Okay, the first step is unload. Okay, in my requirement, my first step is what? Unload. First step is unloading is my first step actually. Now internal process step. Unload means what, guys? Internal process step. Can I see? Unload. System understand only if you give internal process step. System understand you need to give this internal process step. If without giving this, system don't identify first of all what is this step. So you know this step, okay? You know this step as UNLD. How system knows what is this step? This is the standard steps we have. We need to understand. We need to give it to system, okay? So this is this one. So this whatever I define, this explains this functionality, unloading functionality. Okay. Enter. Entry already exists with the same name. So what I will do, UNLG, okay, unloading, UNLG, okay, UNLG. You need to remember these names, okay, UNLG. Now, what is the second step we should define, guys? Second step.
Put away.
Put away. PTAY. Put away. Because naming is already available, so I'm taking a new naming, okay. Put away. PTAW, okay. PTAW, put away, okay. And this I'm mentioning as put away. Put away. Okay, in this case, internal process, I should tell the system that this is a put away. Okay, I should tell the system that this is a put away. What I should tell here, unloading is there, quality. Can you see? PUT is there. Can you see? PUT mainly explains for put away only, right? PUT explains mainly for the put away only. You need to select PUT. Just click on enter. It's already available with the same naming. So PTAY I will take put away. This is not available. PTAY I am taking. Okay. Can you see here? Put away an internal movement. Means what? Once the goods available in the staging area, internally we are moving the goods to either high racks or this one through internal movement that is called as put away. Through internal movement that is called as put away. Okay. So second step is put away. Good. Save it, guys. UNLG and PTAY. I defined UNLG and PTAY. Now I need to go to storage process. Okay. I need to go to storage process. Which one we discussed, right? Storage process we need to create. So you need to create a storage process now. So I'm going to new entries. I'm creating my storage process. Okay. Storage process I'm creating SP11. I can create SP11. This one a storage process for put away. Why it is not taking? Oh, sorry. My virus is what, guys? BLR1, right? Huh? Yes. My warehouse is BLR1 is my warehouse. Storage process I'm taking as SP11. Okay, storage was SP1. Okay, SP01. Okay, I'll take SP01. Storage for SP. Storage process is SP01. My first process. Okay, these are what, guys? These for the put away process I'm defining. Okay, this is only for the put away process. Okay, enter. This is my SP01 I'm creating. You have set this option. Go to this part, guys. Assign storage process step. So for the storage process SP01, I need to assign the steps. Okay, assign storage process steps. Okay, go to new entries. Go to new entries here. New entries. What is the first step, guys? What is the first step? First step is what? Unloading, right?
Unloading.
UNLG is my UNLG is my unloading. What is the second step?
QTAY.
PT put away PTAY. PTAY. Okay. I define two steps. Unloading and the put away. So we are got good up to here. Good. Now you have two steps, unloading and put away. So once you do unloading to the respective staging area, you want system to create automatically warehouse task to put away. Once the goods has been unloaded to staging area, you want system to create warehouse task automatically for the movement of staging area to the put away location. So far, how exactly you are creating, guys? So far, you are creating manually, right? So far, you are creating warehouse task manually, right?
Yes.
But in this case, I want to create automatically. Once the unloading happens, the respective pallets, system should create automatically. Can you see? Auto warehouse task. System should create auto warehouse task to move for the movement of staging area to the destination location. I want system to create auto warehouse task. Automatically, system will create a warehouse task. For that, I am activating this button actually. I'm activating this automatic automatic warehouse task. You need to activate at the unloading level. So once you unload, this will create auto warehouse task for the put away. Clear? Save it, guys. Just save it. Now we should do one thing actually.
Are
I
they
told you that yes.
unloading will get automatic or put away will get automatic?
Once you do unloading, system will create auto warehouse task for put away. Once you do unloading, system will create auto warehouse task for the put away. That is the meaning I am checking out here option. Okay. Okay. Now we create a storage process, right? We need to assign to where this storage process?
WPT.
WPT. So go to SPRO. I'll go back. Go to SPRO. Can you see here? Below node only we have WPT. Define warehouse process type. We have WPT, warehouse process type. Now I'm going to my warehouse. Okay. BLR one warehouse I'm going. So what is the WPT you're using for put away, guys? What is the WPT we are using for put away? The WPT we are using for the put away. You have to check for the
1010.
1010 we are using. I thought we are using two WPTs. Okay. BLR1.
1010 and 1011. 1011 you create for bulk.
So I'm using 1010. I'm using. Okay. I'm using 1010 WPT. I'm using. Okay. So other than 1010, I'm using anything? No. Okay, fine. Okay. I'm using 1010 WPT. So I'm going to 1010. In this case, if you want to use different WPT also, we can use it. Okay, as I told you, you can use different WPT also, we can use it, but you need to maintain the this part actually. Okay, document type and type WPT determination you have to maintain. And after that, you need to use a different WPT. If you don't want to use WPT 1010. Now in this case, I have only 1010. If I want to use it, I can use it, no problem. Or else, what I can do, I can use different WPT also. I can use it. Okay. So what's your opinion? Can we use different WPT? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I can use 1010. Go to 1010. Okay. Go to 1010. So if you go to 1010, this WPT we are using for put away purpose. Okay. And if you see here, storage process, can you see? Settings for storage process. You need to include the, you need to maintain the storage process. What is storage process I created, guys? SP01
SP01.
inside. Okay. I created SP01, I created storage process. Okay. Now, if you see right side here, source storage type and source bin. Source storage type and source bin. What is source storage type in this case, guys?
Staging area.
Staging area.
Doors.
Doors.
Door. For the WPT, it is triggering at the inbound delivery level. So now source storage type is door. Source storage type is door. Destination is what? Staging area.
Staging area.
Now for the door, I need to create a storage type. Do you have storage type for door or not? I don't think so, right? I don't think so. We have storage type for door. So what I will do? I'll create a storage type for door actually now. To maintain these entries, I need to create one door and I need to create one bin also. Door under the respective bin. So that system automatically takes this part. So I'll go to master data to define the storage type. Go to master data, go to define storage type, go to BLR1. You have door. No, you don't have door. Okay, you don't have a door. What I will do, I'll copy from something and I'll create a door. If not, I can create new entries also. That's fine. New entries. BLR1 I'm creating. So storage type is door. Okay, DOR door. And this for the doors. Storage type role is what, guys? Storage type role doors, because this is a door, right? Storage type role explains that what is the role of the respective storage type, right? Okay. So in this case, I need to select the confirm put away, confirm removal, and the put away rules is what, guys? Put away rules is the general storage area. Enter. Okay, I created the storage type. I created the storage type door. Now I need to create a respective bins. Okay. I need to create some bins actually. So let me create some bins.